the very great, powerful city of Liverpool. Really, no better place to run an event which is all about rebuilding for a happier, more peaceful, more net positive society.
We've emerged into a position where we've got to make big changes.
How do we make the values that we have live through everything that we do?
It's created some really powerful conversations.
The purpose of Venture is about bringing some really key topics to life, not only sustainability, but about diversity, inclusion, social purpose.
There's a real opportunity to influence through their circles so many more people.
We need to rethink completely what a building does for communities, what it does for the health of people when they're inside.
It's the chance to spread some of the experience and know-how, but also to absorb that from others.
How can this ever powerful, ever energetic sector move at pace and scale now and transform everything we do as a force for good and do great business as a result, not as a motive?
Do you consider yourself sufficiently knowledgeable to advise clients on delegate dining policies and selections?
The flying thing is almost the toughest nut in the whole of this climate thing.
Can the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals be a Google Translate for impact?
Our kids will know how we responded when it was so clear-cut that we had to make such big changes.
We really wanted some really practical experiences. So one example was Farm Urban, where we were taking a group to experience hydroponics, growing greens without pesticides, with 90% less water. What could that mean for delegate dining in the future?
We put purpose front and centre to see how we can thrive rather than just grow.
One of the most spectacular elements of the programme was the Liverpool Cathedral and the final dinner, which everyone said was one of the most spectacular meals they've had. In fact, the whole event has been meat-free.
I think collaboration is absolutely key when we come to making positive change. We work as an ecosystem and we're all pulling towards the same goals.
It's a wonderful get-together, a lovely mix of the events community.
Sort of ignited a fire within me to really drive change. You can feel that the hunger, the appetite's back.
It made me think about things I hadn't really thought about. So I think it did actually challenge me. I wasn't really expecting that.
That's my highlight. There are so many.
It's really about changing the world for good. And the world of business events is a very powerful influencer